Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're actually going to deal with the filling out of the shotgun, machine gun and rifle scripts. Now this is just going to involve copying and pasting code from the pistol script for the most part. So unfortunately, not the most exciting of lessons, but it should be fairly simple and quick. So I'm going to come right to the bottom of the pistol script to begin with. And I'm going to copy all of the OnGUI. And we can just paste that in to all three scripts. And we'll just keep going. And finally for the rifle. And don't worry about any red errors for now. Now we come to the function above, the add pistol ammo, and we're only going to copy what's inside the function because we already set up the function with the different naming conventions in the previous lesson. So let's just copy what's inside and we'll paste that in as well. Don't worry about the wrong variables for now. We'll come back and change those later. And we'll paste that in as well. And actually, before we continue on, let's just get our block of comments up at the top. So I'll put my name and I'll use today's date because this is when we're actually really starting to fill out the script. So we'll do that for shotgun. And for the machine gun. And the date as well. And finally for the rifle. Okay, with those blocks in place, now let's come back to the pistol script. So, what we'll need to do is copy all of the code up to and including the pistol shoot. So let's copy that. And we'll just overwrite the void start and void update as we paste in. And there we go. So, with those in place, now let's go back and change what actually needs to be changed. So, we'll come to shotgun to begin with. And let's just change the name of this function to shotgun shoot. And we'll also change it out in the debug log. And we'll come here to the void update and we'll paste it in here. And also again in the function. With that done, let's come back up to the top. So now we need to change some things. So we need to change the damage dealt. We'll change that to, I'm going to set mine at 10 for the shotgun. I want this shotgun to be quite powerful. Let's change the comment. And we're just going to go down and change what needs to be changed. So pistol inventory can be changed to shotgun inventory. And I'll give that a value of 32. And we'll change the comment as well. And we'll just copy that variable and we'll just paste it in. So public int pistol inventory here where we return it. And we'll just go through and we'll just paste over where we need to change. And we'll change out the comment as well as we go. So there we go in both comments there. We'll come to the reload next. We'll paste it into that if block. And we need to paste it in 3 times. And finally there. And we'll just change out the comments. And twice more. So there, shotgun inventory. And finally in the GUI. So let's bring that back into line. I'll just fix that typo there. So that's it all done in the shotgun. Pistol reload amount we can change to shotgun. Again, we'll just copy that variable. And we'll paste it in everywhere applicable in the reload to begin with. And let's just copy that and we'll paste it in everywhere applicable in the comments. And there as well. So let's just go through and I think that's everywhere. So let's have a look where we need to change. Pistol ammo temp needs to be changed to shotgun ammo temp. We'll need to change that. So in fact, let's change that now to shotgun. And let's have a look now. Shotgun ammo temp. Let's just come to the weapons script. Let's just go through and check everything. So let's come back. Add shotgun ammo box. Oh, we actually need to change the int there. That should be shotgun ammo temp. We better do that for all of them. That should be machine gun ammo temp. And finally for the rifle. We'll come back to the shotgun script, so let's have another look. We need to change the maximum pistol clip to maximum shotgun clip. Let's change the comment here as well, and we'll change current pistol clip to current shotgun clip. And let's just change the maximum to begin with. and we'll keep changing the comments as we go if necessary. So let's continue on. Everywhere where there's a maximum, so here and here as well. And I think that's all of them, and we can change this variable now, the current shotgun clip. So let's go ahead and paste that in everywhere where it's applicable. And again, we'll just change out the comments as necessary. We'll keep tidying them up as we go as well. And just a few more times. We'll change all the instances in add shotgun ammo. The comments there will need changing as well. And I'll go through after we've actually finished this video, and I'll just make sure that there is no further references that need changing in the comments. We're just trying to go through fairly quickly for now. And we'll change pistol icon to shotgun icon, obviously. So and I'm also going to change the icon size while I'm here. I'm going to use 100 for mine. You may not need to do this, but because of the icons I am using, I think I'm going to need a larger size on the X. And it may mean that I need to change some things in the GUI, but I'll worry about that later. Let's just change the shotgun icon where applicable. So just one instance there. And we'll change the comment as also. We need to change pistol crosshair to shotgun crosshair. And I may make different crosshairs for different weapons. So again, I'll probably do that before the next lesson, because we'll still have some more things to actually do after this video before we can fully test everything out. So we'll leave testing until later. And I'm just changing the blood hit to shotgun blood hit. So there we go. That's everything changed, I think, in the shotgun. So let's just have a look. That's everything we need to change in the shotgun script, at least for now. As I said, I may need to tweak the GUI, but if I do, I'll do that in another video. So let's just close down all unnecessary scripts, and we just need to keep going through and doing the same for the machine gun and rifle. So machine gun, going to give this a value of 1 for damage dealt. And of course, if you feel confident, you can stop the video now and go through and change it, just the same as we did with the last one. I'm going to keep on and continue on in this video, just for those of you that would like me to. So we'll go through and we'll change the variables. So machine gun, inventory, and I'm going to give mine a value of 200. And as always, I may change these values at a later date, but we'll just put them in for now as sort of placeholders. And we've just got to continue on. In fact, I'll just copy machine gun and we'll just paste that in there and there as well. And I'll keep changing the comments and tidying them up as we go. I think I'll need to change the machine gun text size on the X as well. And we'll change the crosshair naming convention and the blood hit naming convention as well. And let's just go through and change the comments where necessary. So we'll change it there. I've just got a few to do. Let's just go through and change the comments where we need to. Also, I can just copy and paste it in continuously. And as I said, I will have to go back and check and make sure that there isn't any where I haven't changed. There's bound to be one or two that I've probably missed on such a long script now. But as I said, I can check all that off camera, and I suggest you all go through and, you know, obviously check yours over at least once after we've completed this lesson. And we'll just keep going. I think we've done most of the comments now. Just the last few to do. So that's that in place. Let's go through and we'll do the blood hit to begin with in, where are we? In pistol shoot. We'll need to change that to machine gun shoot actually as well while we're here. Machine gun shoot. Let's copy and paste that in the debug log and we'll find it in the void update. Here it is. We'll change out the comment there as well. And we'll do the crosshair next. So we'll paste that in there. We'll keep remembering to tidy up the comments as we go. And let's do inventory. So machine gun inventory. Keep bringing the comments back into line. And we'll just keep going through and doing all the references. So I know there's quite a few for this one. And twice there. And as I said, I know this is not the most exciting of lessons, but, you know, at least it's easy and it's got to be done. So the sooner we get it done, the sooner we can actually begin to test out all our weapons systems. So let's go through and change. Let's change machine gun reload amount next. There should not be many instances where we do need to change. And then we'll come back up and we'll do maximum machine gun clip. Actually, that should be a capital M there. A capital 1 there. And these though, as you know, we've got quite a few, so we'll just keep working his way through. Everywhere where it says maximum pistol, we'll change to the machine gun now, sorry. So they're all current. I'll just change that as well. I've missed one with machine gun reload amount. And as you can see, I may have to tidy the comments up as well. But again, I'll do that. If I do need to change where they're positioned, I'll do that off camera, just to save time. We'll change that to machine gun ammo temp. And finally, the current machine gun clip. I'll just keep the comments reasonably tidy for now. And again, we'll just go through. There should only be this variable to change out now. We should have done the others. And as you can see, I will have to do something with the comments, but I'll do that later. And we'll change all of those. And finally, we just need to change the icon to machine gun icon. So let's save that off for the machine gun. Let's downsize it. Just make sure that we've got no errors. So our console's cleared, and finally we're going to do for the rifle. Rifle, let's change that to, I'm going to change that to 15. The rifle's going to be quite high powered. So we'll just need to go through and change anything that needs to be changed. So we'll change that to rifle there. And let's just copy rifle. And again, we'll just go through and we'll paste it in everywhere we can see it in the comments. So as I go through and change all the comments here, let's discuss what's happening. Once we've actually completed this video, what we're going to do is in the next lesson we're going to actually work on creating the blood hit prefab, and there will be a little script for cleaning up the actual prefabs themselves for the blood. And then once we've actually done that, we can put everything together and actually test out all the weapons scripts we've done up to now. And we should be able to see everything all working. Now, I do plan still to do melee weapons. So that's not changed. I'm still going to do melee weapons. But if you want to leave me a message or leave a comment below, do you want me to continue on and do the melee weapons next, or do you want to do some other scripts and then come back and we'll do the melee scripts later? So I'll leave that for you to decide, and obviously I'll go with whatever the majority would like me to do. So I think it will all depend on whether you all feel like a break from the weapons for a little bit, or whether you just want to continue on and get them all done. So I'll leave that for you all to decide. Now I'm just going through and changing pistol to rifle in all the variables up at the top here, which I think I've got all the ones that we need. And again, we'll just go through and we'll just copy them in where applicable. So we need to the rifle blood hit. Let's come to pistol shoot. We'll copy and paste that in there. And as you can see, I missed a comment there as well. Let's change the name of this function to rifle shoot while we're here. So we'll just copy and paste that in the debug log, and let's come to the update. Rifle shoot function in the comments. And again, we'll just keep going. And let's come back up. Rifle icon, let's do that. Should only be that one reference. And finally we can get these done. So rifle inventory, and I'm just going to paste this in. I'm not going to worry too much about the comments now. Let's just get this lesson completed, because I'm sure that you'll just want to get this finished now. And as I said, I'll worry about tidying up the comments off camera, and you can all do the same. I'll make sure then they can all sit nicely in line. And we've not got many more to do now. So rifle reload amount. Let's find the instances of that. And I've missed one of the inventories there, so let's paste that in. We'll change rifle ammo temp here in the add rifle function. And let's come and change the maximum and the current. So we'll do maximum first. So we've nearly finished this lesson now. And as I said, we're nearly getting to the point where we can actually fully test out the weapons system, which I'm sure we're all looking forward to now. I know it's been quite long-winded doing the weapons system up to now, but you know, we should end up with a nice, good, solid working weapon system at the very end of it, which is of course what we all want for the game. And we'll worry about tying it into the inventory system when we actually come to do that system. So obviously, as always, we may have to come back and make a few little adjustments then, but that shouldn't be too bad. So let's just save that off now. Let's come back, we'll check mono develop, make sure we've got no errors, which we haven't. So I think now's the time to leave it for this lesson. Luckily, the next lesson should be a lot better. We can actually get the blood hit prefab created, we can get the all applicable scripts assigned, and we can actually get on with testing. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.